In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Smartsheet. Let's get started by opening Smartsheet in your browser. Once you're signed in, head to the specific sheet where you want to assign work. For the clearest view of rows and columns, make sure you're in grid view. This layout makes it easy to see task details side by side and keeps everything organized as you go. Next, find the task you want to assign. Click directly on the row to select it. If the task isn't there yet, add a new row and enter the key details such as the task name or description. Keeping your task titles concise but clear helps your team understand what's expected at a glance. Now, assign the task to a person. Locate the Assign To column, or whichever contact column your sheet uses. Click into that cell, start typing the team member's name or email, and select the correct contact from the drop-down. Smartsheet will recognize users and connect the task to their account for tracking and notifications. If more than one person needs to own the task, you can assign multiple users in the same cell. Type additional names separated by commas and select each one. Each assignee will receive notifications and will be able to follow updates. If your organization uses a contact column that allows multiple contacts per cell, this works seamlessly for shared ownership. Before you move on, add timing details. Click the start date and due date cells for the task, then use the calendar picker to choose the dates. This sets expectations, enables timeline views, and helps Smartsheet flag items that might be slipping. By the way, if you're new to Smartsheet or want quick access, I've placed a link to the website at the very top of the description so you can open it right away. As work begins, keep status current. Use the status or completion column to reflect progress, whether that's not started, in progress, or precise, or a percentage complete. To make important items stand out, apply conditional formatting to highlight overdue tasks or those marked as high priority. If team members have editor permissions, they can update their own statuses, which keeps everything accurate without extra steps. For collaboration, open the comments panel on the task row to share instructions or updates. Use @mention to tag assigned users so they're alerted to important notes or questions. Smartsheet automatically notifies assignees about new tasks, changes to dates, and comment mentions, keeping everyone aligned without extra emails. Assigning tasks in Smartsheet helps teams stay organized and accountable. Follow these steps and you'll make it easy for everyone to see what's due, by when, and who's responsible. Thanks for watching.